Hello guys, welcome again to Counselorta. I am Ritu Sharma. Today we have come up with a very informative video and wherein we'll be discussing how the ISRO has come up with the free online courses along with the certifications. So before I start my video, I would request my viewers to kindly hit the like button, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the latest videos. Let's move to the main content of the video. So ISRO is inviting applications for the new free online courses that has been launched for the upcoming months. So what are the courses? Number one, Geo Computation and Geo Web Services. And second course is Remote Sensing and GIS. GIS is Geo Information System. What are the highlight of the courses? It is conducted by the IISR, which is Indian Institute of Remote Sensing. These online courses are free of charge. Who are eligible for these courses? Undergraduate, postgraduate students studying in any year can take up the courses. It is open to any technical or scientific staff of the central or the state government and also to the faculty and the researchers working in the universities or institutions. At the end of the successful completion of the course, student will be awarded a certificate. I'll go more into the details about the certificate, about the attendance part at the end of the video. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Before that, I'll be discussing how you will apply for the course and more details about each courses. First course, Basis of Geo Computation and Geo Web Services. So when is the course beginning? Course is beginning on 19th October 2020. Registrations are open from now itself. The course is ending at 29th October 2020. What is the duration of the courses? It is for 2 weeks. Okay. Applicants will be introduced to Geo Computation, Technology and Application, Introduction to Online GIS, Geo Web Services, Open Geodata repositories, and ISRO Geo Web Services for thematic applications. Apart from this, you will be gaining knowledge about the programming concepts of the geo computation and the language also, which is introduction to Python and R. Okay. To fill the registration form for this online course, click the link mentioned in the description box. So we have mentioned the direct link to the registration form. You can just hit the link and you will be redirected to the registration page. I'll provide the demo about this. Moving on to the second course, which is Remote Sensing and GIS Applications. The course is beginning on 2nd November 2020 as per the schedule, but 26th October 2020 as per the ISRO registration link. So there is a bit discrepancy about this. I'll show you how it is. Course is ending on 20th November 2020. So the duration of this course is 4 weeks, and what the applicants will be introduced to, they will be introduced to the applications of the remote sensing and other geospatial technologies in natural resources management, development and governance, remote sensing and GIS applications for crop resource assessment and monitoring, remote sensing applications for geological studies, space-enabled product services for disaster management, Indian initiatives, and so on. To fill in the registration form for this online course, click on the link mentioned in the description box, like I mentioned for the course number first also. The same way you have to click on the link mentioned in the description box. I would like to mention here another thing. Okay, let's move on to the demo part. I'll show you how we have to register. Once you click on the link mentioned in the description box, it will take you to this page. This, okay. Here you have to select the course type. So these are the two courses which we discussed. So if you see about this course, this is starting on 26th October 2020. But the tentative schedule shared by the ISRO, it is mentioned as 2nd November 2020. So, but the registration is open. So if you are really interested, the seats are filling fast and it is on the basis of first come and first serve basis. So kindly apply as soon as possible. So once you click on the type of the course, it will show you like what the details required, personal details, address details, educational details, professional details, what the relevant documents you have to upload to complete the registration. So once you fill in all the details, then you can hit the submit button and you are done for the course. I would request you, while filling the details, you have to be very conscious, like you have to mention the email ID specifically. It should be correct. It should not be the incorrect email ID. You will get the registration code on your email ID, and from there you will get more details about the course. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. Kindly hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Thank you guys. Take care.